This is the elevator at the Howell office building in Bryan, Texas. And it's a Thyssenkrupp. And my battery's low, so we'll probably only take one ride. Let's go to 3. Here we are at 3. The button already went out. And let's go back down to 1. We'll end the tour. Just your basic Thyssenkrupp elevator, which is kind of dark in here. There's your fixtures, Thyssenkrupp Aurora fixtures, and I had a request to film a Thyssenkrupp Aurora. Here we are back at the first floor. Let's see if we can ring the bell. And there it goes, and that's it.